Hirap kapag nalilimutang i-mute. Tatapusin ko lang to. Kasi ako nag-highlights and then I take my coffee doon sa kusina. Iiwan ko lang to dito sa terrace. Bahala na siya dito. At saka, kita ko naman, nasa monitor ko naman kung meron dadaan ito. Dadalhin ko na lang ito sa... Hello, Dave! Hello, good morning, good morning. Here is 7:16 a.m. So, I just take my coffee. I only finish my highlights and then ito turn ko na uli. I will turn the camera in the front, so I leave my live and I go to the kitchen to take my coffee, to prepare my coffee. And then I have kasambahay is coming 7:30, so I will help her to do the things, so because she is only 2 hours for today, so I need to leave my live. I just live here in the terrace and then in the view, and then after I will go to the kitchen. This is the view. Okay, Dave D at Strings. Hello, Miguel, shout out po, idol. How's the life? How's the day? Day or morning or evening in your place? I think it's more evening. Late? Yeah, late. Late in the evening. Not evening, midnight. In your place. Here is 7:18 a.m. So in the Philippines is 7:18 a.m. in the morning. I think it's not yet finished my highlights, but anyway, it's okay. I turn in the front cam, in the, what is the view in the front yard. I'm not yet finished to organize, but it's okay. Slowly, it will be better. Kahapon nag-ano kanyang buko. Ang dami niyang inano, yung ba't hindi ko pala nailagay sa rep yung buko para malamig. Ilalagay ko pala. Binalatan na niya ng binalatan para if na need ko, basta ko na lang bubuksan. Ang dami kasing bunga ng buko. Hindi ko pala na-flex yung bunga ng buko. Papuntahan ko nga, tapos i-highlights ko bago ako magkape. Tingnan natin yung bunga ng buko. Oops! Pinanguha niya ako kahapon eh. Yan yung mini-maintain ko, sana wag mamatay. Kasi ang tanda na ng punong to eh. Siguro is becoming 30 years. Namatay na nga yung kalahati paglipat. Yan. Is becoming 30 years na yan. Puno na yan. Halaman. Iisipin ko pa kasi hindi ko alam yung exact date. Ang daming buko Sayang lang. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-ayos itong aking mga halaman.